Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your TradingView charts, trying to draw those perfect support and resistance lines but just end up making your chart messy, this video is definitely for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically draw support and resistance levels in TradingView using a handy indicator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to simplify your charting process, save some time, and let smart tools do the heavy lifting for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your TradingView chart and head straight to the indicators section. You'll find this as a little icon at the top of your screen. It looks like a bar chart with a magnifying glass, so it's hard to miss. Clicking this opens a search box where you can look up thousands of different indicators. This is essentially the toolbox of TradingView. Now in the search bar, type in support resistance channel. As you start typing, you should see several results pop up. What you're looking for is the indicator called support resistance channel. It might be made by a specific author, but you just want the one that looks like it automatically draws those horizontal zones for you. Once you've found it in the list, all you have to do is double-click it. This will immediately add the indicator to your chart. You'll see several horizontal bands or lines appear, often in different colors. These are your support and resistance zones. The cool thing about this is, instead of painstakingly drawing your own lines, which can get subjective and a little stressful, you're letting the indicator analyze price history and automatically highlight where buyers and sellers have consistently stepped in. It's kind of like having a digital assistant for your charts, pointing out the key areas you should pay attention to. But don't stop there. One of the best features of using indicators in TradingView is the ability to customize them based on your individual preferences or trading style. To do this, hover your mouse over the indicator's name at the top left of your chart, then click the gear or settings icon that appears. This opens up a menu where you can tweak things like the number of periods the indicator looks back, the thickness and color of the lines, and sometimes how sensitive it is in identifying these zones. For example, if you're a day trader, you might prefer tighter, more recent levels, so reducing the length parameter will have the indicator focus only on the latest price action. If you're a swing trader or investor, increasing the period might give you an even broader view of crucial support and resistance areas. Don't worry if you're not sure which settings to use at first. Feel free to experiment and see what works best for you. You can always reset back to default if things get a bit confusing. Remember, this indicator is here to guide your analysis, but it's still a good idea to double-check these levels with your own eyes and experience as you get more comfortable. And that's it. It really is that simple. With just a few clicks, you've got a powerful tool on your chart, saving you time and helping you make more confident trading decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions about this or any other TradingView tips you'd like to see. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new trading strategy or indicator walkthrough. Thanks for watching, good luck with your trading, and I'll see you in the next video.